makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? Happy Indiemas. We are going to be playing with the Lost Library collection from Fantasy Cosmetica. I know I'm a little late to this, but I still wanted to get it live and share my thoughts about this collection with y'all because they came out with so many different lipsticks and these are going to be permanent to their line, so I thought we needed to go ahead and do lip swatches together of every single shade. This collection of colors looks so fun. I'm very excited to dig into this. And then they also released their Lost Library like single shadows, and I believe that this set is limited edition, but I figured we could also do some swatches of this. The little palette it comes in is so cute, and then here is what those look like. I have not dug my grubby little fingers into these just yet. It did come out with some candles as well, and I have the Suspicious Bookshelf, which literally smells so good. I think it's my new favorite candle. Let's go ahead, let's do some swatches of the eyeshadows really quick because that's not really the focus of this video. The focus is more the lippies, but I feel like you guys probably want to see me swatch them. And then we will jump into the lip swatches. I'll swatch everything on my hand together so you can see how they compare, and then also everything on the lips. Let's do it. So first we have Scroll. Ooh, that's so shiny. Such a beautiful, like light, like golden green shifting shade. We have Book, which that one is a little bit more holographic, and it's got like a muted green and a muted purple. Like it's colorful, but in a soft way. We've got Grimoire, which this looks to be kind of reminds me of the, I want to call them the iridescent multichromes from Cliona. Super shifty, super like green to pink, very beautiful. Oh, the name I was looking for, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love that shade. I was thinking of the deep iridescent multichromes from Cliona. That's what this shade looks like. But this one is like, it's so neutral, but so unique at the same time. Next we have the shade Song, which is another kind of like muted shade. That one is not quite as like shiny, but it's super pretty. I mean, I feel like you guys can see it has like a soft green base and like a little purple shift. We've got Tomb, which is super shiny, kind of more of like a gray base with a soft green shift. And then we've got Codex, which is a really pretty shade as well, like kind of like this like deep green base with a golden shift. Again, kind of reminding me of the deep iridescent multichromes from Cliona. So I feel like these shadows are definitely really beautiful. Ooh, look at that one. I'm not surprised at all though, because I really love Fantasy Cosmetica. Super cute collection. I'm pretty sure these are available as singles, and if they are, this one right here is a must. I mean, that's the most non-pressury way ever. I hate when YouTubers are like, you need to buy this, but I'm just saying that this one right here is my favorite for sure. So jumping into the lippies, I kind of divided them into our like two most unique shades, and then everything else is kind of different, like red or pink tones. So I figured let's start with the really cool ones. It's kind of funny. My labels are slightly wrong. My Overgrown, which is green, is this blue one. And then the blue one, which is Forgotten, is the green one. So I think those are mixed up. So let's start with Overgrown. Okay, so it's swatched super easy. Definitely feels like very satiny, not tugging at all. I've never had a green bullet lipstick before. For me personally, I do like really cool, unique shades, but I still feel like I would prefer this shade more in a liquid lipstick. But overall, honestly, it looks pretty good. Feels very creamy, has like a slight satin finish. We love a little green moment. Okay, next we've got Forgotten, which is a really pretty blue. Again, super pigmented, super creamy. Don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. Why does that actually look kind of cool? Like it's actually super opaque. I never thought I would like blue lipstick, but I'm kind of into it. Okay, so now let's jump into the more traditional colors. Starting off, we have a shade here, which is called Hidden, and it looks like a really pretty kind of like soft peachy nude. Isn't that gorgeous? And these are so creamy. They're just applying effortlessly. Okay, that is so pretty. Okay, next I pulled out the shade Obscure, which looks to be a really pretty cool tone, like blue-based pink. And you guys know I'm not a pink lipstick girly, which is kind of funny because I love pink blush, love pink eyeshadow. I love to be in full pink everything, but I've just never been into pink on my lips. But this is definitely like a Barbie pink lipstick, so let's give it a try. Oh yeah, very hot pink. Like, it's really pretty. Like, if you love a hot pink, it is gorgeous, but I almost like the blue more on me. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm kind of curious to hear what you guys think. Like, do you think I pull off the pink? Because I don't know what it is about it. I just never feel like it looks quite right on me. Okay, next we have the shade Lost, which is another more like nude shade, but this one is a little bit more orangey. Super, super cute. A little bit more fall. Oh my gosh, so pigmented. It's definitely a really pretty orange, not mad at it at all. Next up we have Secret, which looks to be a little bit more like a traditional red. Very, very bright. Whew. My lips are starting to burn from taking so many lip products off, but this literally, like every time I put a new one on, it just feels like I'm putting chapstick on. Like, that's the level of comfort that's going on here. It's a very bright red. I don't know that it's like my perfect red tone. I tend to go more towards like a deeper like blue-based red. This is more strawberry red, strawberry lipstick state of mind kind of red. Okay, my lips are starting to look stressed, but next we have the shade Mystery. I think this is gonna be more up my alley. It's a little bit of a deeper, richer red. Oh yeah, super pretty. Oh, but it still looks very bright, actually. Definitely not the cutest lip swatch I've ever done. It's kind of giving sad clown, like, but it is a really nice red. I literally have lipstick everywhere at this point. We have the shade Buried, which looks like a really pretty, like, brownie brick red. Okay, yeah, that's gorgeous. So there's what they all look like together. I was about to say at least you can see that they all look pretty different from one another, and I just found another lipstick that I missed. So just bear with me, but let's go into Buried. Yeah, I love that tone of red. That's definitely one of my favorite ones so far. Okay, so we've got the shade Unearthed here, which I missed, and it looks like such a pretty orangey shade. Like, look at that, like it's just a true orange. I actually think some of these would be really fun to mix in with other colors. Like if you had like more of like a burnt orange on the outsides and then this in the center, like a little ombre orange moment. That is super pretty. I just checked and there are 9 lipsticks, so that is the entire collection. Let me zoom you out and I'll tell you my thoughts. I put Forgotten back on just because I think it looks so cool and I kind of want to see my boyfriend's reaction when he gets home and how he thinks blue lipstick looks on me. But overall, I think this lip collection is really nice and I'm excited that it's part of their permanent line. Like I said a million times during the video, it's super creamy, super comfortable, feels buttery soft on the lips. I don't know that it's going to be the most long-lasting lip formula because it is a little bit more on the slick side. I also feel like the colors that were chosen are super fun, definitely meant for someone who loves a colorful lippy because there's only one shade here that's like close to being a nude. So personally, I would love to see more nudes in this formula, but I know that might not be realistic because Fantasy Cosmetica does a lot more like just colorful things in general. But even if they just did like a whole grungy line of these lipsticks, like lots of like taupes and dark purple, that would be really fun as well. So I'm excited about it, happy with it. And I know I didn't try the shadows on my lids today, but they did look really, really beautiful. So I hope that at least seeing them swatch was helpful. And yeah, I think that's everything for today's video. I hope you're enjoying Indie Miss, and I will see you tomorrow for another new video. Bye!